So, I guess this is goodbye.
Yes, my friend. This underground transport will be passing through a wormhole for only the briefest of moments. And if I am not on it, all of our progress will be lost.
Well, this week with you was amazing. We witnessed the awesome potential that Avolition's live show has for saving more citizens. New Facebook friends are flooding in, free downloads on Bandcamp.com are soaring. And most importantly, I have made a new friend.
Yes, Broccoli Man. I share your sentiment. But when we pass through the wormhole, you will have no recollection of our meeting. And sadly, I will have no memory of you.
Really? How do these wormhole thingies work? Are you a scientist or something?
I have no idea. Actually, I am a clerk at Best Buy. But I do watch a ton of Star Trek.
No kidding. I did floor sales at Circuit City until they closed. I was going to get on at Home Depot. But they don't pay jack. And I couldn't pass the 50-pound lift test. Bad back.
We don't have much time, I must say. Ta-ta. Until we meet again.
But how will I recognize you? How did we meet?
You were at Best Buy, purchasing Blossom the complete series when...
I love Blossom.
Yes, apparently. Anyway, you happened to be humming the chorus to this week's Avolition song release, Going Under. I was enchanted with the melody and asked you who it was and where I could find it. You told me that all of Avolition's songs could be downloaded for free on Bandcamp.com, or that I could subscribe to their iTunes podcast. I did. And my world was saved.
Do you like Blossom?
This is it, my friend. The wormhole is upon us. Good luck, and...
I really do like Blossom. What a great show. Man, I haven't seen that program in years.
Listening.